Alright, what's up, y'all? Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. It's your host with host, baby. How y'all doing out there, huh? At the shop today, glass shop. Making or breaking some doors. That's what we're doing, baby. That's what we're doing. You see me from all the way over there? Hell no. You can't see what I'm doing. No. And I don't think I can make it bigger. Nope, can't make it bigger with this. But what we can do is we can set you up like right here. Alright, let's see. I'll get you a good shot. There we go. A little better. Alright, so this is what we're doing. We are glazing this door. It's called glazing. We're putting the frame in around the door that locks the glass in place. If you hit the glass, it will break. But if you hit the glaze, the aluminum frame, it's a little tedious because banging out like that. Bang, bang, big bang, the dang gang. Let's see if I can get you a better shot though. Yeah, there we go. That's a little bit better of a shot right there. So let's see if we can see this better. So what we do is we bring it over in the corner, right? You see me in the corner here? Right, we're in the corner, right? And you want to butt it all the way up against, tap it, right? Make sure it's all the way in, right? And then you switch to the next corner, right? Tap it, right? Tap it, come across, right? Then, as I come across, I want to tap it, tap it, and you'll hear bunk, and it's locked in. That door is safe now. She's done. Ship it out. You figure deal me? Alright, y'all, here we go. This is the handle assembly. Okay? Now, always remember, right? You want Alright, y'all, I'm interested. Who wants to see a glass shatter day where we just shatter some glass, huh? Who's into that? Just let me know, right? Let me know down in the comments. Hey, and if you watched this far, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. I think this guy right here, he's amazing, man. He handles this door very professionally. Look at him. Very professional. Hit that subscribe button, man. If I get 5,000 likes on this, we'll have a glass breaking day where we just shatter some units. Love y'all. Thank you for watching, man. Yeah. One's bigger than the other. The bigger one goes down bottom. The other one goes over in the door handle. Now take your drill, tighten them up. They really like you to use a screwdriver. But if you know how to control a drill, you'll be fine. But you don't want to dent the door. That's the objective. Do not dent the door. Okay? Wrong side. Move this over here. Make sure your screw's backed out enough that it will go on to your door. Now, my suggestion, flip the door. Alright, let's flip this door over. Get this on the floor so it don't hit the door. Oh, there's the other side where the handle's at. Plus it'll give you a chance to look at the other side and make sure the other side's all the way in, which it looks like that side needs to be tapped in a little bit there. Yeah, just a little bit, if any. It might be just me. Nope. Yep. See? Always check it, because you never know. Alright, we're good. Now, we get our handle back over here, and we can do this all in one. Ooh, wah, wah, wah. Let's see what we got. Handle on here. Let's see if it's easy. Sometimes they're easy. Sometimes they go straight in. Right? So, put it through the hole. Get the hell out of here, yo. It ain't often. It ain't often. Usually I gotta beat that on there. Get my hammer and give it a tap, my dead blow. Let's tap it with the dead blow. Make sure that screw gets up in there where it's supposed to, and lock. There you go. She's in there. Alrighty, she's in there. This door is done. Let's wrap it up. So what we do now is we package the door back up as if it were just came in like this, right? We're just gonna put everything back on here. The difference is now is we got a hand rest. We got to complete the door ready to go onto the job and be put in. It'll be installed immediately. Right? Smack it on the butt. Yeah. Smack it on the butt. What? Yeah. Who? Get it up, hit it up, but what? Voila.